First exercise. Wall sit. Wall sits are an excellent isometric exercise for building lower body strength and endurance. They target quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core muscles. Perform 3 to 5 sets, holding each for 20 to 60 seconds, depending on your fitness level. Rest 30 to 60 seconds between sets. Gradually increase hold time for improved strength and stability.
People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name. Grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
Second exercise.
I'm coming home, Savannah.
Side lunge. The side lunge is a powerful lower body exercise that strengthens the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and inner thighs while improving hip mobility and balance. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps per leg. Gradually increase intensity by adding weights or reps to build strength, flexibility, and stability. Third exercise. Forward lunge. The forward lunge targets your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core, improving lower body strength and balance. Step forward, lower until both knees are bent at 90 degrees, then return. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps per leg. This exercise boosts stability, enhances muscle tone, and supports functional movement patterns. Fourth exercise. Squat. Squats are a powerful exercise to build muscle and strength, targeting quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps for hypertrophy. For strength, do 4 to 5 sets of 5 to 8 reps with heavier weights. Benefits include improved lower body strength, better balance, and increased calorie burn. Fifth exercise. Step up on chair. The step up on chair workout is a functional exercise targeting the glutes, quads, hamstrings, and core. It improves balance, strength, and cardiovascular endurance. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps per leg. Use a sturdy chair and add dumbbells for more resistance. Rest 60 seconds between sets.
Just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do it all 'cause I'm feeling so good.
Sixth exercise. Glute bridge. The glute bridge workout is a great exercise to build and strengthen glute and hamstring muscles, improve core stability, and support lower back health. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps. To progress, add weight using a barbell or resistance bands. Maintain proper form for maximum effectiveness and injury prevention. Seventh exercise. Jump squat. Jump squats are an explosive lower body exercise that builds muscle, power, and endurance, especially in the quads, glutes, and hamstrings. They also enhance athletic performance and boost calorie burn. Do 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Rest 30 to 60 seconds between sets. Focus on form, land softly to protect your joints. Last exercise. Calf raise with wall support. The calf raise with wall support is a great exercise for strengthening the calf muscles. By standing with your feet shoulder width apart and holding a wall for balance, you raise your heels off the ground, engaging the calves. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps, improving strength and stability.